This is some of the most fertile agricultural soil anywhere in Vermont. And it also is really sensitive to flooding and really sensitive to erosion. We have a lot of farmers that we've worked with historically and who are rolling their sleeves up now to work with us, figuring out some water quality solutions and some flood resiliency solutions. Having to farm right up to the edge of the stream can be problematic, certainly for erosion and water quality. And so one idea is to help folks sort of compensate to set back from the river's edge. Pretty typical to see a sort of a small 10 to 25 foot grassed buffer. We're trying to move those towards 50 foot, naturally vegetated, usually turning to shrubs and trees. So the idea would be to increase the buffers and allow the river to move. And as the river moves, it can help establish or reestablish or expand its sort of mini floodplain so that there can be a lot more water storage during high water events.
The river corridor gave us the opportunity to look at how we can protect these rivers, allow them to, experience the natural dynamics of movement and change, but also protect them for water quality. We want to ensure that as the headwaters of these significant rivers and streams, that we're doing our part to make sure that water quality in Lake Champlain remains high.
All river systems are constantly moving sediment and materials downstream and ultimately, toward the lake. And so the idea is to drop more of that sediment out on the landscape. It's free fertilizer for a farmer, and it prevents it from moving down into lake and other water bodies where it might stimulate algae blooms. So a lot of opportunity here to do a lot of interesting work.